Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Supreme Industries. Our analyst has a buy rating on Supreme Industry with a price target of Rs 6,850, considering sustainable long-term demand growth tailwinds. The company had reported a marginally lower than expected consolidated revenue on account of lower realization for quarter 1. Unfavorable product mix and weak demand in June led to a miss in operating profit margin and net profit. Management has retained overall volume growth guidance of 20% year-on-year, with plastic piping volume growth of 25% year-on-year for FY25. Consolidated operating profit margin is expected to be 15 to 15.5%. Capex commitment of Rs 1500 crore remains intact, with expected overall capacity expansion to reach 1.25 million ton and plastic piping to reach 1 million ton. Next, we have an update on Maruti Suzuki Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy on Maruti Suzuki with a price target of Rs 14,712 in expectation of the stability in operating performance, structural upward shift in its product mix, and hope of revival of retail sales during the festive season. Maruti has reported strong operating performance in quarter 1 and indicated that the rural segment is performing better than the urban segment for it. Further, the management is continuing to be optimistic on demand for CNG vehicles. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 22.3 times its FY26 earning estimates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.